I'm trying to do repair on this Scalextric Formula 1 car. This came out. I'm trying to get a new one in. What a nightmare. Oh my God. My hands are just, I can't work with this. Now, as I'm trying to open those parts that close in tight, it's breaking. It's getting ready to break the tab underneath. It's getting ready to break the connector. So I don't know. Wow, these are fiddly. Made for tiny little fingers. Another reason why I prefer my BRMs now. Finally got it. Not in a good way, but what a gigantic pain in the rear. Not designed for my big awkward paddy hands. Yoy. Right, let's see if I can get it back in the car and we get the car running again. Not like the old pins, the decent quality. You used to slide the metal pin over the wire. Well, guys, I finally got this electrics connected up inside the car for this Lotus 99 and Scalextric. You notice I was having a struggle with the tiny little connectors for the cables inside where the guide blade connects, and I finally got it connected. Very annoying for my awkward fingers. But anyway, that's the car. I think I showed you when I didn't do a good unboxing of it, but it's a nice model. I don't like them with magnets. They're glued to the track. Yes, I know, Formula 1 cars, and they should be the fastest cars you have in your collection. But I find it incredibly boring with magnets. It's just, you know, it's just, it doesn't interest me. And yes, Formula 1 cars generally with the downforce will be very glued to the track. They won't be sliding around. But mine do. Because you got to imagine it's raining. Anyway, with no magnet in, it runs terrible. I mean, literally, you hit the throttle and the wheels just spin. A tiny bit of a hill and there's nothing. So what I've done is, I've sanded those wheels down. Got rid of that gloss. You can see now they're more grippy. I've done the usual, oil the bearings, put grease on the gear. Now, the Williams runs better than this. The Williams guide blade is here. This one has the guide blade here. And I think the Williams runs better. But I'm going to give this one a run. Let me see. Wrong track, wrong side. Very good, Harry. I'm going to give this one a run. I'll see what you think of it. So modifications are half a magnet. I've cut the magnet in half. So you have half a magnet, reduce the downforce. And a little bit of weight just in here. Just a little bit of weight here. So as you can see, let me show you. No magnet visible, because there's only half a magnet and some of this blue tack type stuff holding the magnet in. And of course, the motor sits at the magnet as well. So, okay. So, let's give it a run. That's it. The Lotus Formula One. So it's running okay. I don't like them when they have the guide blade a bit further back. They don't seem to run so well. So, but that's running well now with the half a magnet and the little bit of weight, and the tires scrubbed up a little bit just to get that glaze off them. So I'm happy with that. Success after my anger of trying to connect that electric the pin for the guide. I haven't Googled it, but I'm almost certain, after years of Scalextrics years ago, they used to have such great pins. Little metal pin, you put your wire in, you bend your wire over the pin, you stick your pin into the hole in the guide, job done. Now there's these tiny little scrunchy connectors, and they're rather large pain, but there you go. Great little car. Good bit of fun. Yeah, if you want to run them with magnets, run them with magnets. You know, if you had people visiting, they wanted to run some Formula One cars, especially young people, yeah, run these with the magnets and they'll have a great time. Don't mind me with me. I'm not completely anti-magnet. I mean, come on, there's half a magnet in there. Without a magnet, it's atrocious. It's amazing how that runs. It's amazing how that runs, that car. It's amazing how that car runs without a magnet. And yet my Polycar F1 car, F1 style car, we'll say, runs fantastic without a magnet. I basically think it's just better rubber, better tires, make a huge difference. And also, big thing as well, the modern F1 cars are about this much longer. You know, you've a much longer wheelbase and closer to the ground as well, the actual modelling. So that's probably part of the reason. And good rubber, you know. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. That was just a little impromptu after my angry one of trying to do the electrics. I thought I'd do a quick review and a run around of the actual car. It's a nice car, isn't it? I love my Formula One cars. Okay, there we go, guys. Thanks for watching. Always appreciate subscribers and comments and telling me I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm having fun, and that's what it's all about, guys. Having fun.